Yo, so we're making the best FPS game on Twitch, YouTube, and Kick. So we want to achieve these goals. This game is going to be like Dead to Right 2, but in first person. So let's begin. So this is our map, and we have a stealth map for testing. Let's see how we continue. And hopefully my chat is here. And yeah, it's good so far. Day 1 of developing a FPS stealth game. As you can see, we have this takedown, but the problem is it's not good. It's not good enough. There's a lot of problems. I have very short time to fix all of this. We have a gun in here. So this is the takedown animation. As you can see, if this is the enemy and this is the player, this is not matching, but we somehow able to match it by coding, and that's pretty good. So right here behind, you need to actually have no barriers, no obstacle, no object. So that means this place needs to be empty and plain like floor. So what we want to first is change our player mesh, because I don't think this mesh looks good for this prototype. Our goal is to make a prototype in 60 days. So today is the first day to finish this, and our goal is some of this. Hopefully we'll take care of this fix takedown crash. Maybe I'll fix this tomorrow, maybe. Knee kick, maybe tomorrow. I think changing skeleton mesh. This is our goal. Change detection bar. And we will change the detection bar. Fix wrestling fall ragdoll. So this is the last step. Maybe tomorrow. Execute finisher. So we don't have it finisher, we have exec takedown animation, but they don't die actually, they just lay on the floor. So we need to add a execute finisher. So let's start with change skeletal mesh, and we have character animation, uniform mannequin mesh, and we have this is our default mesh, and we want to change that. Let's see where's our player character. I know this looks like mess, but hopefully it will all look good. After maybe a week, we'll see a much more organized version. So far I made a mess, and I assure it will improve by time. And this is our character mesh. We'll change it to what is this? Root arms fourth. Yeah, we'll change this to that arm, and we'll see how it matches. This is a problem, or maybe not. So the animation doesn't work with this mesh. It's a huge problem. Yes. And these are all child, so the player needs to be different, and we need to assign the skeleton. So let's just Control Z and assign skeleton mannequin. So this is our skeleton. Not this, maybe this one. Okay, we're gonna find it. Yeah, we got it. True FPS, this one. Just say yes. Oh no, this is a mess. So I did not meant to use this. So we'll just, I will not save this, and we'll redo all this because it's not working. This is a huge problem. We'll need to fix this. And so far, let me see, the task manager will get rid of all of this. And this. And we're good. As you can see, we don't have those arms. It's all good. We'll need a new player character. So this one is not doing everything that I want it to do, so we'll just create a child blueprint class. And this will be our player. And let's edit this. And about that character animation, and we need to fix the skeleton. If we see the skeleton, it's this one, and currently we're seeing this. And if we try different animation, it definitely works here, but not sure about here. As soon as we change, it behaves differently. We need to make sure it doesn't behave like that. Robot arms. Maybe I'm missing something. So right now it's working, but when you play, I think there's something wrong. Okay, we need to make it the player. Player 0. So we have those hands, but it's not doing anything. We have the gun in hands, but the animation blueprint is not compiling. As soon as you compile, it doesn't work. And if we were to assign this skeleton with mannequin, true FPS. So this one's saying the mannequin SKM 002. I'm not sure what that is. It's definitely missing a few parts, which is not good, but we'll accept it and change it and say no. That doesn't help. Skeleton, assign, mannequin. Before we do anything, let's just save it, all of this. Hopefully my voice is good, everyone can hear, it's not too loud. Hopefully if there's anyone watching, you can join the chat, you can reply, do anything. I can see on my monitor if you comment, if you reply, I'll know. So chat, if you exist, type. And we need to fix this. Let's try to assign this again. Or did we save this? Yeah, we saved this, as you can see. Let's assign the skeleton. Assign skeleton. Mannequin. Probably this one. This one, now this one. Strange. Yeah, this one. So we have all of this. We don't need this. Deselect all. Okay. Fail to march. So we have to select all of this. We need to add all of this. Assign skeleton. Mannequin. this one SKV4. Okay, say yes. Hopefully this fixes. Yeah, this time it will work, but I'm not sure about everything else. It could mess up. So far so good. Oh yes, we have. And now we'll do the takedown animation. For some reason we're still using that arm. Okay, I think I need to change the arm from the script. The takedown script is separate from the player, so it's two different things. We need to fix FPS characters. Not here, maybe trappers, not this takedown. Wonder where's the takedown animation? Is it here? Okay, takedown. Takedown and TK. We need to find the takedown script. This is not the takedown script, so everything will need to change. Mesh, we need to save all of this, and let's see where this script is. Maybe we need to open this. I can't find it. It's here. Ah, it's here. Okay. We need to find the takedown. Stealth, extraction. Death and damage. It's probably inside here. The takedown. This is a mess. I know. I think it's here. This is hand TK. Okay, this means takedown. Right. And we need to change the skeletal mesh. Apparently we have animation assets. As for the skeletal mesh, robot arms fourth. Hopefully this will fix the takedown animation. Oh, pretty cool, huh? Things are working. But we need to actually improve the material with textures. So let's see what material this one's using. Asset details. Oh my god, it has so many materials. Okay. And as for preview, we'll just see what it is. Perspective unlit. To see it lit, so we can understand. And the materials. Let's see. What are the materials so far? I think the main material in robot 24 and robot 22. Let's do this one. Robot 22. We found it. Next, we need to find textures. The textures we're using is low 22 base color, low 22 emissive base color, roughness normal. So I think we need emissive, maybe metallic, and roughness. These three and emissive. I already have base color. So let's see. I think we need to create a new folder and add a new folder. Let's call this robot arms. Textures. Stream couldn't anytime. I have a electricity problem here. I live in a third world country where electricity can go down anytime, so I apologize. Actually, this is a good thing because I think a little break is always good. And what do we have here? We have this. So this one needs to go in here as well. So these are brothers PBR textures, so they are similar in UV. So we already got this. Let's see what is inside. Do we have a max? It says max in game. It's all good. As for RGB, sRGB. Okay, this is sRGB. That's good. And it's default. And what about this? I think this doesn't need to be sRGB. And we're good. This is a normal map and it's all good. Do we need to flip it? We don't know. We'll see. And what else we have? We have roughness. This is definitely not sRGB. And here we go. I have all of these textures, including, okay, we haven't fixed this. This is all black. I don't think we need this one. And all of this, we good. how this looks. Does it make any difference or not? That's the main concern. You can see it clearly here. Okay, let's see. We have roughness. Let's plug into roughness. We have normal. Plug into normal. We have metallic. Plug into metallic. And let's see how the result. So the red part is this material. If we look closely, all this imperfection, we can see the imperfection and we can see this roughness. I think it's working. Do we need to flip? If we multiply this, maybe we can be sure of it. Multiply by -1. I don't think it's the same. So 1 is good enough for us. It's working pretty good. Let's just arrange. And I think we could use a multiplier on this too. And this should be promoted to a parameter and call this roughness. Roughness. Default value needs to be 1, and we're good. Same with this one. We need to promote this to a variable. Normal. And default value needs to be 1. And good to go. We don't need this. Okay. And the next one, I think robot 11 is this the one. What about the hands? We have hands. I understand both hands are quite different. We'll fix that later. Let's save this. And we need to see what this one does. I think this is the inside part, so we'll fix this. Oh no, it's the same. That means we haven't done this one. Where is it? It's robot 11. So what is this? It's called ARM16 low 11. ARM16 low 11 has a base class, so this is already we have in the engine. We need to include. Let me save. Let's see what it is. It's just black, so we don't need this time. Metallic, normal, roughness. So these are the textures we need. And as for the textures, we'll just move this inside it, and we get this in here as well. We have 3 of this. Normal, metallic, roughness. So this needs to be edit asset action. Metrics. So what do we have here? sRGB. Let's just turn off sRGB. We don't need this. Everything else looks pretty good. Right. I don't see any problem here. And we need to bring all of this inside here. Multiply. This is the normal, so you need to connect with normals. This is the roughness. Oh no, this is the metallic. And next we have, let's multiply this, and this is roughness. So we have all of this connected. Let's save. It will automatically apply. That's good. Let's see. I don't know if the stream is actually going on my YouTube. So am I streaming? Okay, let's go to my channel. Okay, we are streaming actually. That's good. But we don't have any viewers. Even better. What about Twitch? Let's go to my channel. Let's see whether we have one viewer. That's me. That's just me. Then we have Cake. Let's see. View my channel. We have 2 viewers. Okay, that's surprising. Maybe that's bot. Yeah, that's bot probably. I mean, you're watching, you might as well say hi. That's it. So I know that there's someone watching. It's good to know that you are watching, and I'm grateful that I have 1 viewer. Yeah, and that's a good thing. And let's see what we have. The other materials, as you can see, this looks way better. Oh my god, this looks way better, definitely. And we have this one. And what is that? I have no idea what is that. I think this is something else. And if we remove it, I think it will affect things. Are not good here. If we remove it, it doesn't affect anything. So this is pointless. This material doesn't matter at all. Good to remove anything useless that we don't need. We get rid of it. And what is this? Hands. Okay, this is the hand textures. We really want the hand textures. I mean, we have already applied ARM16 low 11 and ARM22, and we have ARM16. What is this? Sort name view. So ARM16 low 11. I'm fixing low 22, low 22, roughness, base color, normal, low 11, height. We are pretty good. Let's just, so we're looking for this textures. As you can see, we need to find this one. This is hands 12, low 11. Let's move this on here, inside it. Hands 12, low 11. Base color. Hands 12, low 11. Hands 12, low 11. Let's say the emissive. There is no emissiveness. We have height. And we have roughness, normal. That's all we need. Let's bring them here. And let's edit asset action. What we have here, performance metrics. Everything's good. Okay, let's see. And this, what is this? This is the metallic. What else? This is the normal. And we save it. Let's see how it looks. It's working. As for this part, we need to bring the other ones. Let's see. So this base color, we have this is base. Hands 12, low 24, hands 12, low kit. It probably this one. Hands 12, low 24. This is what we need. And low 24 we have emissive. It's not emissive. We don't need this. As for height, it doesn't look anything special. As for metallic, normal, roughness, let's bring them inside. Section was in progress. No, that's good. Glad. Oh, so far it's good. We are using Unreal Engine 5.4. We need to edit metrics. We need to fix this. Save here. We have all the materials applied. Okay, we haven't applied anything. We just need to do this again. Yeah, it's all inside here, and we need this 1224. Are these? No, these are not. We need this 3. And is the roughness. So it's going to be up and roughness. This is the metallic. It's going to here. It's second and it's the third. This is normal. So far so good. Yeah. How does it look? I think we made a lower poly, so it lost quite a bit. It lost quite a bit of details. And see details, side it. Double. Okay. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. If you play, we'll know. Our hands goes through, there's a problem. Hands goes through if because the tracing is not detecting things below hip. So this is the cause, and we have this issue of head going inside walls, and that's not good. So let's fix that one. Characters, child. So this is the player, so we can actually increase the capsule radius. That is okay. This is not the one we're looking for. Looking for this, we'll rename this letter. Let's rename it something like player FPS 1. That's not the best name. We can name it something like BP underscore yeah. As you can see, we have the capsule. We'll just radius increase to 60. Hopefully this will fix the head going inside wall. No longer it happens. We take the gun. We still have this visual. We'll fix it. And let's see how this works. As you can see, we have the problem. It crashes when I do execution from behind. We have different animation for behind. Let's see whether we retained the capsule radius, because that's more important. Yeah, that's more important than anything else. We already have name, so nothing's missing. And as for animation, for mannequin mesh, roll down textures, maybe the materials. We should separate this material inside a new folder that could be called as material material. Issue with the keyboard for sometimes. I don't know how to fix this issue. Even if I change the keyboard, it happens because of the AMD software. It's not updated, but if I update it, more new issues happens, and I don't know how to fix this. Robot arms, materials, robot arms, and now we can just put this all and put all of this inside materials, robot arms, and here we have. And let's open all of this. Edit. As you can see, we have every one of those textures applied, and we save them. But this one is interesting. What is this? Kit. Do we need this? Maybe we do. Kit part 09. Okay. So where is this actually from? Open source location. Is this hands or what? What is this? Interesting. I have no clue where it is from, so I can't tell. Let's see if we remove this material, any changes. Yeah, we could always do that. Where's that materials? We don't need that materials in here. It's for something else. It's for something completely different, so we don't need it at the moment. So far, so good. And this is just for the prototype to look good, so you can't show this prototype to maybe a publisher. So I'm trying to make it look good, and we'll next test new map. It's not actually a new map, it's a testing map that I made previously, so we'll try to see how we can test and how much we can okay. Some shooting from somewhere. Interesting. Let's take the Gamma grenade, throw it here. A performance issue with the grenade for some reason. Maybe it's just compiling issue. Hopefully nothing serious. And let's see. Okay, it's working. Okay, this is lagging. But this is not good. God, it's lagging. Unbelievable amount of lagging. This is not good. So what we want, when you do the takedown, we actually trace behind it. So when you press F, it checks whether something is behind the wall. If there's a wall, we'll perform the wall hitting takedown. So let's get this guy a little more behind. We want to implement the wall takedown. Actually, I don't have an animation that can do that. We need to find an animation that just takes the enemy and hits on the wall. So I think we'll do that tomorrow, not today. We have other issues. Let's see what we do. So far we fixed the chain skeleton mesh problem. So this one we no longer need it. We'll keep it clean here so that we know that we did completed something here. Yeah, and we need to texture paint police robot. We need to change the enemy mesh. That means we need to make an office building, maybe interior for our game, and we don't have execution. That's the last thing. Fix wrestling fall. So the most of the takedown animations are like WWE. I kind of like that. Robots doing WWE moves. It's pretty cool. Yeah. War on office room. Knee kick. And we have this reference. I don't know what is this. Let's check out what these are. Okay, so we actually have this asset, and we want our level to look like this. So this is a good reference. Name it properly so we can recognize factory. It's factory. And this one, I think this one should be something like a hanger. This is a hanger. And we do have another objective. So far we haven't worked on the drone. This reminds me, we have enemy drone. We would like to hack it. So the hacking system needs to be implemented. Maybe we mention it here. Add hacking. Yes. Change detection bar. Maybe we have to fix this. We need to change the detection bar. I mean, we have detection bar, but it's not good enough. So you guys can subscribe here. This is my channel. I actually made a bunch of tutorials and I got tired of it, and I got busy, so I never finished the series. But this is a new thing. This is a new game that I'm working. This is more exciting, and we have so many assets in here. Gather all the assets we need. Still missing view animation, but that doesn't matter. We got enough, and right now we need to improve the UI, the current UI. Let me show you. So this is the detection indicator that doesn't really look good enough, and we need to improve it's inside HUD, I believe. Direct detection, I don't know which one are we using. And okay, this is the texture. Yeah, this is the textures. Yeah, we found it. It's this one. Open source location. Let's see where it is. Okay, it's this one. Yes, it's this one. Okay, let me open the software. Okay, we're back. Let me see whether we have any viewers on the YouTube. One watching, and that's me. Yeah, that's good. One watching, and that's me. What about this one? And that is also me watching. And we have here another. That's good. And we have keep viewer. That's good. I think the Twitch category is not okay. We haven't changed the category. It's just chatting. We need to change the category, so let me give me a second so I fix this. Now it's fixed. Changed it to software and game development, and now it's fixed. Changed it to software and game development, and now it's fixed. Let's get back to work. And we were working on something like this. Hard. Yeah, let's ignore this. So I'm expecting something much more wider. Maybe not. Let's not do this. Let's just edit this one. And we need to this to be the background. So we'll change the color. How to enhance? Can we change the color? How do I change the color? I don't know. Hey, yo. Wow. So far so good. Let's work on a new. I don't think we need new. We could just overlap. Do something new here. Or here, maybe this one. we have shapes. I think where we made the mistake. Let's see what shape is good enough for us. I mean, this is a good shape. Align to artboard. So we need to actually see some reference that we can take inspiration, and I have a bunch of clips, and I'll check them if they're likely what I want. And let's go. Let's take a break, and I'll be here in a second. Back. So this is a game that I can take inspiration because the futuristic sci-fi aspect actually is what I'm looking to implement. This thing here is what I want. I think it's pretty cool, and let's take a screenshot of this.
I've got you booked. Got a whole clip here with your name.
I think it's a good inspiration, and see the notification, we get this as our reference. And it's actually like this, but I kind of want to make it less round. And as for the bar, then since it's a progress bar, that means it's going to come from the middle. So we need to separate the indicator direction. The direction can appear anytime, change color, but the main thing that we need here is this part, this thin line. And let's see closely, it has another line, then another line, which is pretty cool. I don't think we need this gap between lines, but we have a background. Let's say this is what we want. It's colored something between red, orange, and yeah, something like that. And it has this sides. think this is a good example. We should try to implement that. And let's keep this thing same. Actually, we don't want this. This and this. And stroke. We don't need a stroke. Now do we? Let's see what it is. Yeah, we definitely need strokes, but the color is, I think we don't have the color here. Something between this and this. It's a bit pink. It's more orangey. I think this is the color that we're looking for. It looks pretty good. Yes, it does. The color is not there yet. Do we have alpha? We don't. Quite not satisfied with the color. Maybe the brightness needs to be changed, and I don't know why it's like this. What's the damn brightness, man? HRGB, CMYK, grayscale, RGB, lab. Not sure any of this color is good. Maybe this one. I mean, the color looks pretty good. And we need to expand appearance, then again to expand. It's just a feel. And we got what we wanted, but we need to cut. Maybe I should do undo. Not looking good. Edit, undo scale. AI viewers. Oh my god, I have someone. Hey, Nutty subtitle W AI viewers. stream. Okay, someone watching. Maybe it's AI. Maybe it's a bot. We don't know. At least we are not alone. And that's good to know. Now what we want here, we want to actually make a rectangle or yeah, that's pretty good. And this is where I'm confused, but let's see. Okay. Now that's not what I want. This Control Z sucks so bad. Yeah. I think we got what we want. And what do we have here? Have something like this. It needs to be more roundish. We need a pen. Then we need to select this somehow. Undo clear. Navigate. Oh, we have a navigator. That's good. What the heck? Expand. P. We need to reduce the opacity to something like this. Something like 70, 80, 79. That's pretty good. And we have effects. Rectangle. What is this? So we have this, and let's hide it. We don't need this. Control 0, Control 1. So annoying. This time we'll just use something like this and got the color right, and we align this middle and make it even smaller. And this time we need a rectangle, super thin line, and we need to duplicate this. So this is the rectangle. We'll say it progress. Oh my god, what is going on? Is P? Maybe we're writing in some language we don't know. This is the horizon. We have this issue, and this is progress bar. And we duplicate this thing. How do we duplicate this? Edit, copy, paste in back. Yes, this is the background. Bar. Yes, we got the background. We got the progress bar, and we shall change the color to something more. We won't change the color. Maybe. We'll change the color of this one. Yes, this is more darker color. I don't think we want darker color, we want lighter color. Maybe this is what we want. We want brighter color. So Okay, let's increase to 300%. And does it look any better? I need to change something here. This rectangle, send it back, arrange. Okay. It doesn't look anything special. We need to do this. Yeah, this is good. But the problem is, doesn't have curve or any design, so we need to make it some sort of, you know, let's get a pen. Now this is a pretty good design, I suppose, but we need it to pop out. So we'll just add a few things here. Let's get the pen. Vamos, oíste. Okay. Okay, we have this. Pretty cool. Yes. Save this. I think we did a pretty good job here, but I don't think it is enough, and we definitely could do something like this. No. Looks kinda stupid, but I like this. I kinda like this design. I'll pass minute. I like this design. I think it's pretty cool. Let's improve it some way. A little bit. A little bit.